how to properly frame things. So imagine asking ChatGPT for something and you realize you get back exactly what you asked for, but now you have to redirect it and coach it.
Mm-hmm.
That's managing people,
Sure. Yes.
right? And the same way that it is very challenging to hold ChatGPT accountable for giving you exactly what you asked for, that's managing people, you know?
Yes.
Um, I often say that if you don't give clear instructions and expectations, then you cannot create accountability,
Mm-hmm.
right? And
Yes.
sometimes the accountability doesn't look like a reprimand, it just looks like a correction,
Mm-hmm.
right? Or a change in path, or, do something a little bit differently. And I'm a big fan of helping people make new mistakes,
Mm.
not the same mistakes.
Yeah.
So if you're not a patient person who is okay with someone not meeting 100% of what your expectations may be,